Oh, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. That's our website. It's our QBO blog, so you may want to check it out. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how to record a long-term loan from a family member for my business. You're starting out a business and someone from your family give you a long-term loan. And also I'll discuss what if you don't even have to pay it back. That's nice. So I'll show you both. So let's get started. I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. Okay. There are a couple of things. First of all, if you have banking connected, you just go to banking from the dashboard. Okay, so it may look slightly different on yours. There's nothing in here. I just have the $10,000 deposit. So when the bank download, the QuickBooks may automatically categorize as sales. Don't worry about it. So this is the focus of this video. Okay, so what you need to do is it's a bank deposit, $10,000. It went to your bank account. Okay, and just click that row. All right. And then at this point you don't have any select payee. Okay, so you can just add new one in here. Okay, so it's just like a vendor type, and if you don't want to it should be vendor, not employee, not customer. Should be like a vendor type. Okay, because at some point you will need to pay it back, write a check or something. Okay, you can just say from my mom or whatever. So you just have to write down the name, you know, your mom's name, let's say, something like that. Okay, and then save it. Now you created vendor. Alright, so category is where you want to put this, and it's a long-term loan. So category means it comes from your chart of accounts. So you go to chart of accounts, and at this point probably you don't have that long-term loan, so just click add new, and then under account type you need to select long-term here. So it's long-term liabilities. Okay, and then you just select other long-term liabilities, and if you have like some documents you have to sign in some notes payable type, otherwise just other long-term liabilities, that works fine. And under this name you can just leave the way that it is, or you can say loan from my mom, or your mom's name. Either way that will work fine. Or you can just say long-term loan payable without writing any name or anything. So this is the one you'll see it on your company's business balance sheet. Okay, so I'm just going to save and close. So now you have everything set up. Your vendor, your mom's name, and then the category, that's your chart of accounts, and it's long-term loan. So at this point all you have to do is just add. Okay, so simple as that. Alright, and now it's in QuickBooks, it's in here. Alright, so now what if you're not bank connected, you just want to manually enter this in QuickBooks? Okay, no worry, so I'm going to show you that too. Okay, so you're on the dashboard, and you go to chart of accounts, and you already have your checking account. I will show you how this one is set up. So you just go to, whenever you want to open a new bank account manually, all you have to do is click this new, and then the first one you'll see probably is bank. It's your bank here, account type is bank, and let's say this is checking account. Alright, so checking account. Okay, so let's say this one is Wells Fargo. Okay, and then save and close. So now you have a bank account, right? The Wells Fargo. Alright, so let's say you got now this one is the Chase is bank connected, the other one is a manual thing, it's not connected. And at some point if you want to connect bank, you got to select in here too. but let's just say you don't want to connect your bank loan or bank at this point. You just want to do it manually, so just click the view register to start over again. So in accounting, chart of accounts, you on chart of accounts, and you will see your bank account right here, checking Wells Fargo, and just view register, click that one. Alright, and at this point this is a deposit that went to your bank. Instead of add check, you got to select deposit. Alright, and let's just say this is from your mom. This is mom's name. Let's say this time dad's name. So still vendor, not a customer, employee. It's vendor. Okay, and this is a say long-term loan. Okay, and it's a deposit. It's a $10,000. And then account, you have to select the same one, long-term loan. You can just type it actually, long-term payable, long-term loan payable. Okay, so then save it. Alright, so you have $10,000 deposited to your bank account. It will show it here. This is a bank account balance here. Okay, so that's all you need to do. You've seen how to do it manually, and as well as one from banking, when you connect a bank account. So okay, so now I want to make sure it goes to right account. Okay, so now you have both. Now let's look at the report in here, the balance sheet. So you have $10,000 Chase, $10,000 Wells Fargo. Chase is connected, the other one is not connected, and as you can see here, long-term loan payable, you got $20,000. You know, one from your mom, one from your dad. All right, so here we go, like this, right? So it shows how much money you owe to your mom and dad. Okay, so now the next one is the what if you don't ever have to pay it back. Okay, so at this point you may need to contact your tax accountant or accountant. So basically it becomes as a gift, and you have to treat it as a loan. No, not loan, I'm sorry, income at that point. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, so I'm on in here, and what you need to do now is I'll just make this very simple. Okay, let's just say to go to the long-term liability, which is $20,000. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one. Let's say your mom is so generous, and after a couple of years your mom said, well, don't worry about it, it's a nice boy. Okay, so what do you do now? Alright, so then you just need to you can select either journal entry or anything. Let's see here. Alright, journal entry is fine. Okay, so now what you need to do is in this case still your, let's just say your mom. Alright, and loan as a gift, so you convert it from loan to gift. So this one you need to make sure you talk to your accountant. Okay, so now this one is decrease, right? Balance goes down. Okay, so on the side, increase is, now it's decrease. Okay, so now in this case you need to select your income account. It's not a regular income, it's like other income type. So let's see, you'll see it under other income in here at the bottom. Here we go. So other ordinary income, or you can change the title. Let's see here, I'm just going to change the title in here. So let's go to add new. Okay, it's other income type. It's not a regular business income, just a one-time income. Other income. Okay, other miscellaneous income, you can say. Okay, other miscellaneous income is fine. You can change the name if you want. Then save and close. Okay, and and save this. Now it's done. So now if you look at your P&L, or let's look at this liability account, long-term liability account, you will see only $10,000 now, right? One you already written off as a gift, as other income. Okay, so now if you look at your P&L, or P&L, let's just see the P&L in here, profit and loss, you will see $10,000 as miscellaneous income, right? Okay, on the balance sheet you will see you only owe $10,000 on your balance sheet account now. See right here. Yeah, that's what you need to do. Hope this video is helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we have all kinds of free video tutorials. We have two channels. One is VP Controller, the other one QuickBooks Cubio, the one you're watching. Thank you again. Bye.